According to Australia's National Research Organisation for Women, 1 in 6 Australian women has experienced physical or sexual violence from a current or former partner. In New South Wales, the percentage of clients for homelessness services increased from 23% in 2014-15 to 30.4% in 2015-16. Domestic or family violence against women is the single biggest driver, 55%, of homelessness for women. Due to the many demands from victims of domestic violence and their supporting organisations, we will now develop a service program for women and children who are victims of domestic violence. We will therefore establish partnerships with support organisations. These organisations have the skills and caseworkers to assess the needs of their clients, and we have the skills and expertise to assist their clients with the identified need of household goods, appliances, transport and repair of goods. The From House to Home project's objective is to provide women and girls who are victims of domestic violence free access to quality household goods. Once the women and girls are ready to move on from their temporary and safe accommodation in shelters and/or halfway houses to a new and sustainable home, they are in desperate need of household items. The Bower can arrange and provide transport of these goods. From House to Home is a win-win for the environment and communities by recognising the shared interest between environmental benefits and social and financial inclusion.